In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a multi-column custom list in your onboarding workflows. So this is my list, and now I'm going to upload it. Here's my CSV file. Next. All right. And save. And as you can see, when I open it, my columns are there. The first line has been used as a header, and I'm good to go. So let's associate it with an onboarding workflow. Let's configure the execution input, and here I want to pick the list type, and I'm going to choose my custom list. You can see when it's a multi-column list because of this tag over here. All right, and as you can see, it tells me that the system will automatically create an input for each column. Apply, and here I have it. Now I have flexibility to change the titles. Excellent, and as you can see, the first column is going to be my reference. Let's see what this means. I'm going to save, and I'm going to save and publish my workflow. And now let's run it. Right, so this is my reference column. So all I have to do is pick the first item, which is the city, and the rest of it will be automatically filled for me. So if I change it and I pick row, again, it's done for me, and the same with turn. This way, I don't risk to make any mistakes, and the process is much easier and straightforward.